Eric Schilling, Holden Eric Schilling. Edward Anthony Vega, Edward Anthony Vega.
It's already unmuted for you and everything, okay?
Juanita Margarita Garcia, Juanita Margarita Garcia. She's still
Yes,
here.
ma'am, I'm here.
Juanita, say it one more time.
I'm here.
Turn your camera on.
It should be on right now. It says it has me in safe driving mode.
Okay.
Start my
Okay,
video.
Juanita. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you, Juanita. I got you checked there now.
You're welcome.
Elijah Hernandez. Elijah Hernandez.
Check the hallway, Your Honor.
Gustavo Garrido. Gustavo Garrido. Let's see here. Diomar Hidalgo. Diomar Hidalgo. Aaron David Sanchez. Aaron David Sanchez.
Here, ma'am. Here.
Thank you, sir.
Council's also present.
Thank you, Counselor. Guillermo Cifuentes Reyes. Guillermo Cifuentes Reyes. Elijah Charles Brown. Elijah Charles Brown.
Oh, I'm present, Your Honor.
Thank you, Elijah. Got you checked in. Pedro Santillano. In the hallway. Okay, he's in the hallway, Booker. No Zoom. Yvonne Marin. Yvonne Marin. Sebastian Cruz. Sebastian Cruz. Javier Lerma. Javier Lerma. Juan Miguel Alleman. Juan Miguel Alleman. Kenyon Corna Murphy.
Here.
Kenyon. Oh, thank
Here
you,
you
sir.
are.
Thank you. Got you checked in. Sergio Alvarez. Sergio Alvarez. Justin Paul Oblos. Justin Paul Oblos.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Geraldo Ibarra Trujillo. Geraldo Ibarra Trujillo.
Presente. Presente.
Kenny Latara Brown. Kenny Latara Brown. Jacqueline Garza Kelly. Jacqueline Garza Kelly. Rosalinda and who said that?
Oh, Jacqueline Kelly.
Jacqueline. Okay, thank you, Jacqueline. Got you checked in. Rosalinda and Trevino. Rosalinda and
Here, Your
Trevino.
Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Julian Zavala. Julian Zavala.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Adriana Michelle Lastra. Adriana Michelle Lastra. Cal Thomas Tomaliski.
Huh?
Cal.
Present, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you, Carl. Got you.
So I
checked
just
in.
wait till come on. Will I be able to see
Henry Garza.
before I go in?
Oh, Henry
Present, Your
Garza.
Honor. Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Donald Wayne Hope. Donald Wayne Hope.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Michael David Herrera. Michael David Herrera.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Angel Carmen Rogers. Angel Carmen Rogers. Julio Maldonado de la Cruz. Julio Maldonado de la Cruz.
Here.
There you go. Thank you, sir.
Here, Your Honor.
Bianca Monique Rodriguez. Bianca Monique Rodriguez. Daniel Alejandro Villalobos. Daniel Villalobos. Kevin Castillo.
Okay.
Kevin.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, Kevin. Got you checked in. Timothy Antoine Rowley. Timothy Antoine Rowley. Jesse Trevino. Jesse Trevino. Andrew Omar Ramos. Andrew Omar Ramos.
I'm present.
Okay, thank you, sir. Edwin Jesus Lopez. Edwin Jesus Lopez. Jesse Ochoa. Jesse Ochoa.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Anthony Aaron Elizardo. Anthony Aaron
Present.
Elizardo. Thank
Present,
you,
Your
sir.
Honor.
Got to check them. Esau Lopez Martinez. Esau Lopez Martinez. Albert Tello. Albert, did Albert answer?
Oh, ma'am, it was Martinez Lopez.
Jerron Clifton Sanchez. Jerron Clifton Sanchez. Timothy Ricardo Bastille. Timothy Ricardo Bastille.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Okay,
I'm
thank
here.
you, sir. Gotcha. Joshua Jimenez. Joshua
Here, Your
Jimenez.
Honor.
Thank you, Joshua. Joseph Martin Pettis. Alejandro Gonzalez. Alejandro Gonzalez. Alexander Velos. Alexander.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
Joseph Martin Perez.
Seth Neil Hall. Seth Neil Hall. Sheridan Ray Billy. Sheridan Ray Billy.
Here, Your Honor. Right here, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Got you checked in. All right. I will go back through this list one more time for the individuals that did not answer at the 9 o'clock docket call. But first, I'm going to give some instructions on how this morning is going to roll out. So defense attorneys that need a reset, the court will give you a reset. I do, however, require that you talk to one of the two ADAs on the Zoom. And today that would be Jonathan or Alexis. Even if you have talked to them last court setting, defense attorneys, and you have not changed your mind, you still want the exact same thing, I am still having you talk to one of the two ADAs, even if you have just got hired last night or last week or last month, I'm still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs, even if there is a felony pending along with this County Court 12 case, I'm still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs. I see no downside to communication, guys. I know that I am over here trying to move my docket. And I know that you defense attorneys are trying to bring closure to your clients' cases so they can get back to their normal lives. And we cannot do that without communication. So defense attorneys, just take a few moments to go into one of the breakout rooms and get on the same page about the status of the setting this morning with one of the two ADAs. Now, defense attorneys, if you've talked to one of the two ADAs within the last 2, 3, even up to 5 days ago, and that talk, that chat, that call, that email was about this setting today, I'll take that as a confirmed. I would highly recommend that that's what you guys would do. So when I get to the part about who's all confirmed, you can quickly tell me you have, and we can give your client a reset and release your client very quickly if that's what you so desire. But we're here now. So moving forward, it is 9/11 now. Usually by 10 o'clock, we're more than 75% done with this docket. I say that to say we try to move things along very quickly in County Court 12. So when Booker puts you guys in those breakout rooms, defense attorneys, please do not pop out of the breakout rooms to say no one has come to see me in the breakout room, okay? Defense attorneys, at this time, would you please just send those chats to Booker? Booker's going to line you guys up in order of how he receives those chats to go into the breakout room, okay? So if you're a defense attorney, you're sitting on the Zoom, Booker's not going to know you're here unless you send a chat to him saying, I need to go into a breakout room to speak to one of the two ADAs, all right? So now moving back, we're going to go back through this list one more time. And remember, I will be calling the docket by the defendant's name. So defendants, when you hear your name called, please unmute yourselves. Turn your camera on because you are in court. I do need to see you. You are free to turn your camera off after that and then announce yourself to the court, because from my end, I am checking that you're either answering the docket or that you're not answering the docket. And at some point, defense attorneys, if your client never zooms in, I do issue FTAs. That stands for failure to appear. A warrant will issue for your client. So we'll begin again. And remember, this time I'm only calling the people that did not answer. If you answered at the first go around, you are okay. You do not have to answer again. I will not call your name again. Okay. So it's Sean Kevin McCauslet on the Zoom now. Sean Kevin McCauslet. Holden Eric Schilling. Holden.
Judge,
Yes.
Schilling is in custody in the Bear County Jail right now.
Okay. Okay. So and I'm gonna put jail. Edward Anthony Vega. Edward Anthony Vega.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me. I'm Schilling. I'm right here. I'm in court.
But could you just, you guys, do not answer out of order. I have 50 people on this docket. I will get to your name. just hold on, okay? Because it's chaos if everyone starts talking at one time. I'm going back through the list again for the people that did not answer at the first go around. If you answered, you're okay. If you didn't answer, I'm going to get you again. If you didn't answer, I will get to your name again this time. Elijah Hernandez. Elijah Hernandez. No. Diomar Hidalgo. Diomar Hidalgo. Eric Holden Shillings, I have you checked in. I see you there. Guillermo Cifuentes Reyes. Guillermo Reyes. Thank you, sir. Got you checked in now. Yvonne Marin. Yvonne Marin. Sebastian Cruz. Sebastian Cruz. Javier Lerma. Javier Lerma.
Sebastian Cruz, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Sebastian. Sebastian, put your camera back on one more time.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
It's not on. Sebastian, your camera is not on. Or you're in the dark and we can't see you.
No,
you need to turn a light on?
No, I have a light on.
Sebastian, I'll circle back around to it. Javier Lerma. Javier Lerma. Juan Miguel Aleman. Juan Miguel Aleman. Sergio Alvarez. Sergio Alvarez. Let's see here. Geraldo Ibarra Trujillo.
Presente.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Kenny Latara Brown. Kenny Latara Brown.
I'm here, Your Honor. I'm here.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Kenny. I got you checked in.
Yes, ma'am.
Adriana Michelle Lastra. Adriana Michelle Lastra.
Here.
Thank you, ma'am. Got you checked in now. Angel Carmen Rogers. Angel Carmen Rogers. Bianca Monique Rodriguez. Bianca Monique Rodriguez.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Got you checked in. Daniel Villalobos. Daniel Villalobos. Timothy Antoine Riley. Timothy Antoine Riley. Edwin Jesus Lopez. Edwin Jesus Lopez. So Booker, I think all of the rest are jail. I'm not going to go through that because I see some of them are on, and I know that the jail guys got to bring them over in groups because they can't get them all to the screens at one time. So just check, Booker, just check them in to make sure they're all here. All those ones that we have on the docket. Okay.
Yes, Judge.
You can say, I mean, some of them checked in, but I know some of them are not here. Okay. All right. Yes, so I've now gone through the docket twice. At this time, I'll ask if there's anyone here on the docket and you did not hear your name. If you're a jail case, you're okay. We know that we can tell that the jail gives us a list of who's all here and who's all coming. So if you're a jail case and you didn't hear your name, you're okay. Okay. Anyone else that you're on this Zoom and you did not hear your name called at all, either time that I called, you did not hear your name called. Gustavo,
I didn't hear my name.
Yes, because you came in late and I called you twice, but I got checked in now. Who else?
I didn't hear my name.
Lorena Mendoza. What number is she, Booker? Lorena Mendoza? Is she on the docket today? Lorena, were you supposed to be here today or another day?
Yes, I was at court yesterday and you all told me to be here at 9.
Oh, Lorena, okay, Lorena, you're fine. You're going to be on the recall docket. Just stay on the Zoom, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right. Anyone else that did not hear their name called this morning? Jail cases are fine. I told you we have a list. Jail cases are okay. Okay. Anyone else? All right. Before we move forward in other court matters, I'm going to give a few housekeeping rules for County Court 12. The first rule being defense attorneys that are moving forward with the plea bargain. Remember, 2 sets of paperwork. 1 set comes from the court, the other set comes from the district attorney's office. If you are not sure if your client has done all of the paperwork, please get with Booker. Booker can put you in a breakout room with your client and you can go over these matters. I just do not want anyone to sit on the Zoom for over an hour or so. When I call the case, we discover that part of the paperwork or none of the paperwork has been done. It's an easy solution. If you're not sure, just check with Booker instead of wasting wasting your clients, your time just sitting on the Zoom, okay? Also, defense attorneys that moving forward with the plea bargain, please ask your client this one question. Are they a resident of Dare County? I realize that San Antonio is a very touristy city. We get a lot of outsiders. But if you're moving forward with the plea and that paperwork has been sent over to probation and we do not know that your client is not a resident of Dare County, your client is going to get an automatic violation. A warrant will issue. Who needs that household at the beginning of probation? Please just let someone know, your attorney, probation, the court. You can live anywhere you want to live. This is America. The court just needs to know. Perhaps you live in another county, Harris County, Travis County, or even in another state. That's fine. Let the court know, and then we will make the decision should your case be transferred over to where you reside, or if I shall allow you to report to probation by Zoom, okay? Also, defense attorneys, if your client has an MTR on the docket, I see several. Besides speaking to one of the two ADAs, you must also speak to Mr. Charles Kimbrough. He is the CLO, the probation officer for County Court 12. Of course, because it is an MTR, a motion to revoke probation, I do need the input from probation. Defense attorneys, if your client has been arrested, just arrested at least twice for a DWI, your client's case is going to automatically be sent over to the DWI court. That is a treatment specialty court. I cannot mandate or order anyone into that program, but your client will be given the opportunity to be evaluated and talk to someone about what I consider red flags and issues of alcohol usage. Your client will not be able to leave this judiciary able to say that no one reached out to them or tried to help them, again, about what I consider red flags and issues of alcohol usage. Now, besides presiding over County Court 12, I also preside over the mental health court. That too is a treatment specialty court program. If anyone wants their case transferred over to that docket, just let Booker know. Booker can get that referral process started. It doesn't even have to be that your client has ever been professionally diagnosed with a mental health issue. If they think they're suffering from PTSD, bipolar, schizophrenia, severe depression or anxiety, etc., that is good enough for us. We will have them professionally seen by a doctor. I do run several dockets of mental health, one of the dockets being the PTD docket. If your client is deemed eligible for that docket, not only does your client's case get dismissed, it gets totally expunged from your client's record at no cost to your client. Just options for everyone. All right, so moving forward, are there any defense attorneys that have already conferred? You just need to give a report to the court. We can give your client a reset and release your client. Any defense attorneys that have already conferred?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, I'm here on Aaron Sanchez. I just conferred with the state and received an offer. I'm just looking for a reset so I can go over that with my client.
No problem. That's number 9, Booker.
August 15th.
August 15th,
right.
Okay. All right, Ms. Aaron David Sanchez, your court date has been reset to August 15th, so you are free to log off, sir. Counselor, do you have any other matters?
No, not this morning, Your Honor.
Thank you for coming on. You're free to log off also. Have a
All
nice week.
You too, Your Honor.
Okay, there are any other defense attorneys that have already conferred with the state? I don't see anyone. Okay. All right, Booker, I'll let you move forward with the rest of the resets. All right. I mean, I'll be right here if we have some of these pleas and MTRs that need to be taken care of. I'll be right here. Okay.
Yes, Judge.
Hey, Booker,
Yes, sir.
on Mr. Schilling, Andrew, you might want to notify Andrew that he's here today, because Andrew is actually his attorney.
He told me that he doesn't represent him.
Well, that's the one he was approaching me about to get to do all that special stuff on. I'll see if I can find his number and give him a call.
Yeah, because he came out of court the other day and said that he doesn't represent him. But I'll shoot you his cell phone.
I can represent myself.
Sir, just remain muted. We'll figure this out.
Okay, that'll work.
Elijah Brown.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I have your attorney in my office. Your court date has been reset to August 18th, and he'll follow with you as to what's going on with your case.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. You're free to log off, sir.
Have a good day.
You too. Brian, Oriole.
Hey, good morning, Burger.
Morning.
Finished confirmed with the DA on the two cases that we had today. The first one on Jacqueline Kelly. We have an offer in the file. We're just awaiting word on whether that's something we're going to be able to take right now with her employment. So if we could have one pretrial setting on that, so we can get an answer to the DA on whether we can move forward on the plea. Okay.
Let's see. Oh, there she is. All right, that one's going to be reset to this is August 21st.
August 21st. Okay. Then if we come to an agreement before then or find a resolution, then I'll make sure that you and the judge know. That we
Oh, sounds good.
can do that. The other case we have is Mr. Henry Garza. On that case, they are reviewing the stop and the videos and are going to offer to me, or if we can resolve the case. So we can keep it on the same day if you want to on that one.
Sounds good to me. I'll put on for August 21st.
Okay, may they both be excused.
Yes, senior clients are all free to log off.
Okay, thank you, sir. Have a good weekend.
You do the same.
Appreciate it.
No problem. Ryan. Arnett. Mr. Valdez.
Herman, Mr. Alejandro Gonzalez has a felony pending.
Booker.
And he
Did
also
you-
has
who-
jail court scheduled for Tuesday morning.
Yes, Judge.
Who is on the mental health team that's here that you can make host, or did you make someone host already?
I made Adrian host, and her and Sam are already in the breakout room.
Okay, could you put put me in that breakout room with them?
Yes, Judge.
And I don't know if I have the files for the recall docket, do I?
Yes, Judge, you should have them.
The files for the recall docket.
I-
They gave me the
Okay,
list.
okay,
There's only 3 of them.
all right, so if I see if I got the files.
They didn't have a separate.
Oh, okay, so they're just mixed in with all the other kids. Dang it. Okay,
I mean, it might be
Okay.
in the back.
Go ahead, Mr. Valdez.
Yes. Yeah,
So,
so he's scheduled for jail court Tuesday. He's got an immigration hold, but he has a felony pending for unauthorized use.
he does?
Yeah, that's what Alexis just told me right now. It's awaiting indictment, she said.
Oh, okay. So it must not be filed yet.
No, it's with an intake DA right now.
Okay. All right, no worries. I will reset this to August 25th. Let's see.
Yeah, because I don't think they're gonna want to do anything in jail court, but I'll meet with them on jail court Tuesday. So
Alrighty, sounds good. Is your client a Spanish speaker or?
Spanish speaker, and he's got an immigration hold.
All right, you can just let him know. Let me see.
Yeah,
Alejandro.
I believe he's down at, well, my screen is way at the bottom below you.
All right, I'm gonna put you guys in a breakout room. You can just explain it to him and tell him that he's released from there.
All right, thanks.
Not a problem. Ms. Moreno.
Morning, Booker.
Morning.
I just had one this morning on the docket. It's Keon Murphy. On. Ooh, what number is he?
You got it.
Okay. There it is, 17. So I discussed it over with the state. So I recently received some dash cam video for this case, and after reviewing that, there's a potential motion to suppress issue that I raised with the state, and they're going to look into it to determine if they're in agreement and move forward at that point, or if not, if I need to file a motion and then go from there. So if we could have a one more reset for Mr. Murphy for pre-trial, and at that setting, I think we'll go on deciding whether we need to set it for trial, plea, or if we need to request a motion to suppress her.
Sounds good. I'll reset to August 16th.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Keon Murphy,
Yes.
did you get your reset date, sir? August 16th.
Okay.
That'll be a for now, that'll be a Zoom setting and in court will be at 9 o'clock.
All right. Thank you.
All right, not a problem. You're free to log off, sir.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Booker. Have a good one.
All right, you too. Mr. Castro.
Yes, I just need a breakout room to wait for the state.
It sounds good. Miss Valerie.
Good morning. I am here on Daniel Villalobos, and he needed a referral back when I was here in May 30th for DWI court, since he had an arrest, but it was dismissed out of Houston.
Your client didn't check in today.
I'm texting him right now because I didn't see him on there either.
Okay, hopefully he'll be able to log on shortly and then we can get that taken care of.
Okay.
It'll be some time.
Ryan,
Yes, I need to go ahead and have released Edwin Lopez, Seth Hall, and Joseph Pettis. All three of their cases are being dismissed.
let's see. You said Edwin Lopez?
Yes.
Edwin Lopez, Mr. Lopez?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir, your case is being dismissed. You can go ahead and notify the detention officer that you are done with court for today. And I believe that is the only thing holding you in jail. So the ADAs will get that dismissal to judge, she'll sign it, and then you will be released sometime this weekend.
Yes, sir. I have one question. Just, is there any way you could tell me what charge it was?
This is your
Yeah,
criminal,
this was the criminal mischief charge.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
not a problem. You have a good one, sir.
You as well.
Ryan, what was the next one? You say
Joseph Pettis.
Joseph Pettis. Joseph Martin Pettis.
Okay, está bien.
Yes, sir.
All right, sorry.
Yes,
same
sir.
thing with you. Your case is being dismissed.
Okay, está bien. Dale, gracias.
For 1 second, so let me see.
Okay, está bien. Gracias.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Same thing with you, sir. This looks like this is the only thing that's holding you in jail. Your case is being dismissed. Once judge signs that dismissal, you'll be released sometime this weekend.
Thank you, sir.
a
Thank you,
problem.
Ryan, on that. Appreciate you.
You're very welcome.
Thank
You can
you.
go ahead and notify detention officer that you're done with court for today and you're free to go back, sir.
All right, I appreciate you. You
No
have a
problem.
blessed day. Thank you.
You too. What was the other one, Ryan?
Seth Hall.
Seth Hall. Mr. Hall? Seth Hall?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir, your case is also being dismissed.
I appreciate it, Booker.
Oh, it was all your attorney's hard work. It looks like this is the only thing holding you in jail that I can see. So once judge signs the dismissal, you'll be released from jail sometime this weekend.
Yes, sir. Thank
All
you,
right.
Mr. Arnett.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate it. Thank you. I'm good to
Sir,
go.
Yes, sir, you can notify the detention officer that you're free to go back. Once the paperwork is processed, they'll let you know when you'll be released.
All right. Appreciate it. Y'all both have a good weekend.
You do the same.
You too.
All right, Brian, what else you got?
For Sheridan Billy, I need paperwork. And then if I could hop into a breakout room with Donald Hope.
Let's see.
Hello, Mr. Arnett.
Hello,
Ryan, you can go back to number one. I'll put Mr. Hope in there with you.
sounds good.
And I'll see that paperwork on Billy.
Good morning, Booker. This is Diobor Hidalgo. I'm a little bit late, brother.
He has someone in his office. He'll be with you shortly.
Mr. Hidalgo, I got you checked in, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No problem. Mr. Vega.
Hey, Booker, I'm covering for Raymond Martinez. He has 3 clients in here today.
Okay.
I received offers in all 3, so I'm gonna convey them to Mr. Martinez and make sure he conveys them to his clients, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right, what's going on with, let's start with the first one on my docket for Edward Vega. What's going on?
Yeah, so the state just made an offer for deferred adjudication. All 3 are actually deferred adjudication offers. One of them involves classes up front, but could I get a 30-day reset on all 3?
All right, I will reset all 3 cases to August 17th.
Thank you so much. May we all be excused?
Let's see. Edward Vega, your case has been reset to August 17th, so you're free to log off. Let's see.
Next one's Sebastian Cruz or Gustavo Garrido.
Mr. Sebastian Cruz, your court date has been reset to August 17th, sir. You're free to log off. And Mr. Hidalgo, August 17th, your reset date, you're free to log off too, sir. All right, Counselor, if that's it for you today, then you're free to go.
That is, thank you so much.
Am I free to log off?
Yes, sir, you're free to log off.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Ryan.
Hello, I sent you an email to get plea paperwork for Donald Hope, and then can I get a breakout room with Michael Hodetta, please?
All right, go back to number 1. I'll put Mr. Hare in there with you.
Sounds good.
And I'll send that paperwork out to you.
Appreciate that.
Booker, I'm back from the breakout room. I was wondering if I could get another one with my client.
Say that one more time.
I was wondering if I could get a breakout room with Mr. Ochoa.
Let's see. Salary.
Booker, I've tried to call him and text him and he's not answering. I have a trial announcement in juvenile at 10. Can I log back on or will you message me if he comes on?
Yeah, if he does, and I'll let you know. If you want
Okay.
to send me a chat with your cell phone number, so that
Okay.
and I'll text you once he gets here.
Perfect. Thank you.
Not a problem. Mr. Castro, I just saw your email. I will be. Let me get that paperwork over to you. For your client.
I'll go ahead and go back into the breakout room with him and wait for it.
It sounds good.
Thank you.
When they speak to you, go ahead and talk to them, okay? When they speak to you. What can you say? Johnny.
Putting it back on mute.
Okay.
Alex.
Hey, Herman. Okay, so this is that one weird case where, well, I shouldn't ex parte right now. This is a case with like an unusual, I don't know why I was just about to do that. Like that is so inappropriate. I'm so tired. I've spent 3 days writing a brief in Comal County because the judge and the prosecutor conspired behind my back and stole papers from the clerk's office.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I've been like writing a brief, like, what the fuck are y'all doing? Like, I've been like losing my mind. I just said the F word, so sorry about that. Like, it's been crazy. I like literally things like I felt Alice in Wonderland. I fell down a rabbit hole this week. Like, I never thought like we cared so much about a case that we were going to tamper with the clerk's file. Like, that's crazy. So I'm a little like, well, this case is odd. There's some unique facts. The prosecutors have been moved enough time that I'm kind of stuck in a situation where every time they read the report, they're like, ooh, I need to ask Dan about that. And then they get reassigned before they ask Dan. So I've told Jonathan, like, hey, like, I still don't have an offer because everyone keeps saying they're going to ask Dan. Judge is not going to tolerate this for much longer. And he understands, and he's like, yeah, you're right. Like, we need to get you an offer. He promises to get me an offer by Monday. So if you could set us one more time, we'll hear about whether the unique circumstance is going to warrant one offer or another.
Okay, August 17th.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Herman. I appreciate it. I'm gonna go shower now. Like, I'm excited about that. So thank you so much. And then what reset date did you give my client?
August 17th.
Okay, iconic. Let me make sure I'm not like gonna be in.
If he gets you an offer and you just want to take it sooner, just let me know. Or
no, beautiful. August 17th is perfect. I don't have anything that day.
Nice.
Is that going to be Zoom or in person?
In person.
Okay, in person. I will advise him. If we end up like accepting a plea bargain before that date, do we do plea bargains via Zoom or is that in person only?
No, we can do it on Zoom.
Okay, I'll let my client know, like, hey, you have to do a plea in person, or like you have to do it on, you can do it on Zoom. But like, I'll let him know that that's an option.
If he's tech savvy, then I don't mind.
He's young. Yeah, like
okay.
He's like in college. He's Gen Z.
Okay, cool.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Herman. Have a
Not
good
a
day.
problem.
Happy
You too.
Friday.
Happy Friday.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Jillian Zavala,
Yes, sir.
your attorney will be reaching out to you, but your court date has been reset to August 17th for now. And she'll reach out to you when she gets an offer on your case and then discuss with you what's going on from there.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All right, no problem. You're free to log off, sir.
Thank you, appreciate it.
What you got now? One more.
Yeah, could I please reset Kenny Brown, number 21 on the docket? She just needs a little more time to save up money for her conditional dismissal offer.
Ms. Brown? This is Herman. Can you please hold?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, your court date has been reset to August 25th. You are free to log off. If you, I'm not sure what you have to do, but your attorney will tell you that if you get everything completed before August 25th, please make sure that you relay all that information to your attorney so that way we can possibly get your case dismissed before that court date.
Okay, yes, sir.
All right, you're free to go, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Nell.
Thank you. Okay, so for Rosalinda Trevino, number 23 on the docket, the discovery is still not available. So could you please reset her until it's made available?
Ms. Trevino? Rosalinda?
Yes, I'm sorry, I had you on mute.
No worries. The court date has been reset to August 18th. You're free to log off.
August 18th?
Correct.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry there's no discovery yet.
No, you're good. Thank you.
Thank you. So for Justin Avalos, can you please reset him and can I talk to him?
Yes. Are you doing any pleas on your job clients?
Well, how many days in does Jaron Sanchez have?
Hold on. Let me Justin Avalos is reset to August 16th.
Okay.
And then let's see. Which client?
Sanchez, number 43 on the docket.
$59.
59. Can I
Yeah.
tell Alexis that and she might chase at him? That's the hope.
Okay. Talk to. I'm put you in with Justin first, and then I'll put you in with Alexis.
Okay, thank you.
Go back to number 10, and I'll put him in there with you.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Pratt.
Yes.
What's going on with your client's case?
The state may or may not have video of the blood draw, and we still don't have it in our possession, so we could get a short reset to give them some time to research whether or not they have that. Be great.
All right, I'll reset it to August 11th.
All right, thank you so much.
Not a problem. You're inclined to both free to log off.
Thank you, Mr. Booker.
You're welcome. Now,
Right, the call got dropped with Justin and I was talking to him for 2 seconds and then he was gone. So I don't know what happened, but if he comes back, can I talk to him? Because
yes.
his phone might have died. And in the meantime, I'll just wait to talk to Alexis when she is available.
Okay.
Thank you.
No.
Yes, we're gonna go ahead and plea for Jaron Sanchez. So could I meet with him and go over the plea paperwork when it's available?
Which case are we going on?
708944 and their TI Sync 708943.
Okay. I'll send it out and I'll get it over to you.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. You too.
Hey Booker, you got a sec?
Yes, go right ahead.
Can I get a jail credit check?
Which one?
Jesse Ochoa, 680148.
145.
145. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Actually, Booker, can you check another guy's jail credit?
Go ahead, Jonathan.
So Sean McHaslett has 3 cases. I don't know if they're all going to be the same. I was trying to get the credit for all 3 of those.
Uh, 627, 687, 123.
Which one was that? I'm sorry, the one ending in 87?
Yeah, 687.
And that's 123, you said?
Yes.
Okay.
201.
No.
134.
Okay.
And 649, 122.
122. Okay, thank you.
No problem. Christopher.
Yes, Booker, we finished the plea paperwork. We're ready whenever the judge is.
It sounds good.
Thank you.
Booker, can you put me back in a breakout room with my client? I got knocked out.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure I did something wrong.
No worries. It happens.
Again.
Hello?
Howdy, Booker. So we're ready now.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you.
Not a problem.
How long you gonna let that beer grow? Till it gets down to your waist or what?
No, not that long. I know it's gotten too long when I try to put on my seatbelt and I accidentally grab it. That's like my it's time to trim it message to myself.
Okay, Booker, I'm back. Do we have any pleas ready?
Yes, Judge, we do.
Okay, can you come pull those files or tell me which files they are?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be right here.
Arnett.
Yes, can I please get a breakout room with Donald Hope?
Yes.
Even if you went into the brown room,
You can see it again, muted is because there you know you're here, and the one waiting for you, they'll change it. Then you can do it again. Okay. Go for it, they can change. See all these?
Yes.
Let's try again.
Probably the only one on the street first. Main there.
Ryan.
Can I please get a breakout room with Billy, Sheridan Billy?
Hey, Booker.
All right, seem like the internet could be bringing us back that are jail. Miss Canberg, are you on? Sure.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, what's going on with cases?
I'm sorry?
Cases.
Booker, you're kind of breaking up, Booker.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
All right, Booker, we're
It's
ready.
like you.
Okay, I'm sorry. You were talking to someone. Go ahead. Go ahead, Booker.
Can you all hear me?
Wait, I can hear you, but you cut off.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
I
that
can hear you
one we
fine,
heard, I
Booker.
heard.
Okay, Judge, the internet crashed at well, it looks like mine did too. I had to log off and log back in, but I just called the jail, the internet, but the jail, but they have to get everybody logged back in. So for individuals that we have,
So are we? So that Roseanne Valenzuela, she's not ready. She's out. All of the jail cases are not back on the Zoom yet. Is what you're saying?
yes, sir, they're not back yet.
Okay. Okay. So who are we ready to go on that's not in jail?
Ryan, ready for David Hope? Ryan?
Yes, Donald Hope should be all good to go.
No, Donald Hope, sorry.
Oh, yes, I'm
Okay.
here, Mr.
So everybody's lagging. Is it just me? Is it
No,
problem
it's,
with the
it's
Wi-Fi?
Judge.
It's lagging,
Like,
yes,
Booker,
John.
you're skipping too. Like you're sounding like that. Can y'all hear me fine?
I can hear you
Now,
fine,
Booker, your
Judge.
screen is frozen. Should I jump off and jump back on, Booker? Or is it just the Wi-Fi today?
You should be fine, Judge.
Your screen is frozen to me. Your screen is okay. All right. Where did Layla go?
She went to the restroom where she can go in a very long time.
Okay. Oh boy.
Judge, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Your screen is still frozen though. Oh, now it's good. It's good. Okay, so we're going to start with then Brian's case of Donald Hope. So which case is the interpreter here on Booker?
That one's
hello?
Can you hear?
Hello?
Booker.
Irene, are you hearing Booker? He's blinking out, right?
Yeah, I couldn't hear Booker.
You blink. I can't hear Booker either. You're blinking out too, Irene. Well,
Should we all
which
log off
case
and log back on, Your
which
Honor?
case is the interpreter here on?
I have no idea. Judge.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to try that. Hopefully.
I think it might be the Wi-Fi at the courthouse, is what I'm gathering.
I'm gonna log off and log back on, Booker.
I'll let him know, Mr. Chavez. You hearing Booker?
yes. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
We can hear you, but like it seems like every other time it starts to cut out.
What kind of booster?
Like
Yeah,
right now,
I see right now you're cutting out.
Okay, I'm back now. Do I sound better? Am I still blinking out?
you sound better.
Can anyone hear me? Okay, Booker. Booker's screen is not doing good, Irene. Booker, can you hear me?
Judge?
I don't even think Booker.
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. This is going to be so bad when I start doing the please. All right, let's just try to do one, see how it goes. All right, everybody ready on Donald Hope?
State's ready.
Defense
Everybody
ready.
Okay, so at this time, the court will call the case of Donald Wayne Hope, cause number 702907. Would each side state their name and who they represent for the record, please?
Jonathan Alvarado for the state.
Ryan Arnett for Mr. Hope.
Good morning, Mr. Hope. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing well, ma'am. How about yourself?
Can you turn your camera on?
It is
There
on,
you go.
ma'am.
Are you the same Donald Wayne Hope who's been charged with the DW? Are you the same Donald Wayne Hope who's been charged with the DWI?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Have you had an opportunity to discuss this case with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Counsel, are you satisfied your client is competent enough to move forward with the plea today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hope, did you get an opportunity to go over a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonishments?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Did you go over that document with your lawyer?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand that document?
Yes, ma'am, I did, ma'am.
Did you sign that document?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Counselor, are you satisfied your client understands his waiver of constitutional rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's you. Oh, boy. All right. Mr. Hope, are you entered into your plea voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very well. State, is there a plea bargain?
There is, Your Honor. The state is moving to waive and abandon count 1 of the information and proceed on count 2 of the information, obstruction of a highway.
No objections.
Very well. Okay, go ahead, state.
The agreement is for a $400 fine plus court cost, 14 months deferred adjudication, DWI education course, a victim impact panel, the TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for at least half the term, and 40 community service hours.
Is this everyone's understanding of the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Hope, I see you've taken a plea bargain for deferred adjudication. Let me explain that deferred adjudication is a special type of probation. If you do very well and successfully complete this probation, this case could ultimately be dismissed against you. However, if you violate any terms of this probation, I could call you back to court, I could revoke the probation, and I could sentence you to the full range of punishment. Do you understand this?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Do you still wish to move forward?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
How do you plead to this charge?
Guilty, ma'am.
Guilty, very well. The court accepts your plea of guilty, found has been voluntarily and intelligently given, and I will set punishment as follows. We're going to move forward with count 2, obstruction of a highway, $400 fine, court costs, 14 months of deferred adjudication, DWI education class, a VIP class, a TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, 40 hours of community service, and I'll set supervisory fee at $40. Is there anything else from the other side?
No, ma'am, I'm good. Thank you, ma'am.
Not from the state.
Nothing from the defense.
Very well. There's nothing else from either side. Sir, I have followed your plea bargaining agreement. You do not have my permission to appeal this. Mr. Hope, I want to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Charles Kimbrough. He's the probation officer for County Court 12. He's going to go over a few things of probation with you. Counselor, did you want to go into that room also?
No, Your Honor.
Very well. Good luck to you, Mr. Hope. Just look for the little join button. Everyone is excused. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Mr. Arnett.
Very welcome. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Can you hear me now, Judge?
Excuse me?
I was asking if you can hear me now.
Well, you're still bad. You have a bad connection.
Bobby Barrera.
So
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for your plea?
No, I've got to get with Jonathan. I've got a failure to communicate with my client, and apparently I told him a different plea agreement than what Jonathan read to me, and I need to see how we can get that straightened out. Other than that, we're ready.
Jonathan, go ahead and get in a break room with them and then go from there.
Okay.
Thank you.
So Booker, I mean, I don't know how that interpretation case is going to go out because all of our Wi-Fi is
I have to switch over to my phone's hotspot.
so spotty.
Can you hear the interpreter, Booker?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can hear you better now.
Okay, the defense attorney's talking with the state, and then once they come back, then we can move forward with that plea.
Oh, okay, so you let us know when you're ready then?
Yes, we'll do.
Okay, thank you, Booker.
No problem.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Booker, when you're ready, we're ready on Reyes.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Hey, Booker.
Yes.
Sorry, my question is Jonathan specific because it has to do with an offer he gave me. So while I'm waiting for him, can I get a breakout room with Kevin Castillo, please?
What?
I have to ask Jonathan a question specifically. Like it's his offer that he conveyed that I'm asking for a change for. So I have to wait for Jonathan to be done. So can I get a
Okay.
breakout room with Kevin Castillo while I'm waiting?
All right, Booker, so I heard Guillermo Reyes is ready to go.
Yes, Judge.
For the
Okay.
interpreter, Judge.
What, we need an interpreter?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, boy. So this is, which attorney? Bobby? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
Bobby, your client has talked to, is your client a US citizen?
No, ma'am. And I do have a Padilla letter. I'm going to put all that on the record.
Okay, great, great, great. So Booker, are we supposed to? Jonathan, we all switched over on that app for the interpreter. Booker, do you hear me? Do we need to switch over to that interpretation app? Oh boy, this is the whole building, Bobby. Something's going on with the Wi-Fi over here.
I
sent out a
understand. Yeah,
message to everybody.
I got stuck in Hondo for 3 hours trying to do a plea because their entire internet went down in the whole city. So they couldn't produce any
Oh,
documents.
good Lord, oh man, let's see.
That's our technology.
President said, Jonathan, do you have that app, the interpretation app on? Yes, our
No, Judge.
technology.
Usually it doesn't. I don't get put into that.
No, yes, you do. We never do one on Zoom without it. It's like the best way to do it. Booker, are you
Maybe I
there?
just don't realize it when it happens. I do see this
Can you hear me,
language.
Judge?
Booker, are you there? Yeah.
Yes, Judge.
Like, click on that, and then it'll tell you what to. Oh, God, I don't know if we're gonna get this done or not. Okay, I'm in the app. Jonathan, you here?
Yes, Judge. I
Because
can
you
hear
have to
everything.
click. He has to click English, right, Booker?
Yes, Judge.
Can you
Okay,
unmute my
just-
So
client?
Jonathan, click English, then click audio.
I'm good.
Does Bobby done it also in the interpreter?
I'm sorry?
Bobby, did you do that? Are you in the interpretation app? Are you on the interpretation app?
Judge, honestly, I don't know where to go to get on. Oh, there it is. I see it. I'm sorry. And guess I'm clicking
Is
on English.
everybody on the interpretation? Bobby, you are?
I'm in it. Let me go click for my client. He's right in this other room.
Okay, yes, he needs to be, but Booker, the client needs to click Spanish instead of English, right?
Yes,
You
Judge,
as the
that's correct.
interpreter will walk him through. Then hit mute audio. Oh boy.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I could hear you. I can hear you now.
Yes.
I don't think we're gonna be able to do this plea. It's the Wi-Fi is too bad.
I have put the interpretation app on my client in Spanish and
Okay,
muted him, so I think we're good.
okay, okay. Caesar, can you hear the Guillermo?
Hello? See, I'm okay.
Caesar's screen is it's stuck. You see Caesar's screen is froze. Caesar, can you hear us?
He's talking to him, Judge.
Okay.
Can you hear me, Judge? Can you hear me? Can you hear the interpreter? Anyone can hear the interpreter?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. So the thing is that they haven't set up the interpreter for me as an interpreter. So they have to set it up again. Whoever did it, if someone can hear me.
I can hear you.
Okay, so are we ready to go?
No, Your Honor, because I'm not set up as an
Caesar, is
interpreter.
everything good or no?
No, no, because I'm not set up as an interpreter, Your Honor. They have to set up the function again and set me as
Okay, so
Caesar,
did you send it out to Caesar?
It's done now.
You see that drop down? It's there now. It says language interpretation available. Click here to get started. You see that, Caesar, on your screen?
I can't hear him now.
I can hear you. I think
Guillermo, ¿puedes oír el intérprete?
I can hear you. Hold on, let me.
Okay, I can hear you. Okay, we're ready.
Anyone that needs to hear the interpreter needs to change their language to English. You can't be on just the main.
Yes.
Okay, Caesar, are you good now? Can you hear the defendant?
Yes.
Okay, we're all ready to go?
What?
Yes, I can hear you, Caesar. I can hear you,
Yes.
Caesar.
I can hear you. My secretary.
Okay, let's just recall this for Monday, Booker.
I clicked Spanish for Mr. Guillermo. Let me go check and make sure. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Do you see where it says?
I think we should just recall this for Monday.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no, I did it a second ago. They had to reset it up. Okay. Yes, he was hearing you. Is he no longer hearing you? Yeah, he's not frozen on my screen.
Bobby,
Yes, ma'am.
you hear me?
I do, but you're
I
frozen.
just decided
Judge.
let's recall this for Monday because the Wi-Fi is down at Bear County. Sorry, guys, I don't think we're gonna be able to proceed with any more pleas, really.
I am in Gonzales on Monday, Judge. Can we do
Because
it?
now I can't hear you, Bobby. I can't even hear you.
I'm sorry. I'm in Gonzales on Monday.
What was that, Bobby? I'm saying we should just recall this. So Monday's Dr. Zoom also.
No, I'll be out, so
Okay.
it'll be either Thursday or Friday.
Okay.
And I can recall all those jail cases for
Yeah.
next Friday.
Okay. I just lost the judge.
She's talking to Booker, so she'll come back on.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Sí, sí lo escucho perfectamente.
Sandra.
Okay, can you guys hear me?
Ok, de acuerdo.
Yes, sir.
Gracias.
All right, Caesar, you're free to go. We're just gonna recall this. There's internet sucks. So we can't do anything. Bobby, when did you want to recall this case? Will do.
Booker, I am in 3 different counties until July 20th. Are you able to do it July 20th?
Yes, that will be in person.
I'm sorry, you're breaking up. Do what?
That will be in person.
July 20th is Thursday in person. I'm good with that.
Sounds good.
Okay, thank you so much. Sorry for the problem.
No worries.
Okay, y'all have a good weekend. Thank you. Take care.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Will, your client was set for jail court anyway this coming week?
Yes, and then he's waiting for a drug court screening. If you want to do it Monday, I can do it Monday, or I can do it Tuesday at jail court.
Yeah, let's do it Tuesday in jail court. I'm gonna be in a coordinators conference, so we won't have docket until Thursday and Friday. So jail court would be good for you guys.
That works. Thanks, man.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Joe.
Howdy.
Hey, so there's no telling when the internet's gonna be back up. I can recall her for next Thursday or Friday, which is best for you.
She's waiting to go home.
Yeah, I understand that, but I mean,
Yeah, I understand that too, but you might tell Bear County how much this is costing them to keep these people in jail.
yeah,
It's crazy. So let me see my calendar. Thursday or Friday?
yes.
I already have her set for Thursday on the 20th.
Okay.
Can you put me in a breakout room with her so I can explain to her why she's not going home tonight?
No, the whole Bear County's internet is down. So the jail's internet is down also. So we don't have no inmates on at all.
Okay, so I'm putting it down for the 12th. I mean, the 20th.
Yes, sir.
And don't call me sir, please.
Yes, Joe.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Chris.
Yep.
All right, so our county's internet is down. Thursday or Friday, would you like to have your client brought back on?
Well, I'm on vacation next week. Whatever day Zoom, I'll try and see if I can log in and hopefully I can. If not, I'll let you know.
Friday is our Zoom.
So I guess Friday.
Yeah, we're trying to get it done today, but the internet is still down, so there's nothing we can do.
Okay.
All right, I got it. I'll reschedule it.
Okay.
All right. Neil, which play did you have? Sanchez?
Yes, that's who I have.
And is that your only inmate that you had?
Yes, could he come to jail court on Monday, or is that, I don't know how to get him a plea out.
I'll reset him for next Thursday.
Thursday,
Yeah,
can he be sooner? Like in June court, it'll be sooner?
I can see about jail court, but I'm not, wait, what kind of cases does he have? Let's see.
It's just, criminal mischief and criminal trespass.
I'll send an email out to jail court to see. If not, he'll be back in our court.
Okay, and, I, have someone on the trial docket on Tuesday, so should I tell him it'll be recalled for, or rescheduled for another?
I sent the email out. Just respond back to my email and then we'll take care of that via email.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. And so that was the only fine that you had was that one for the
Yes.
jail?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Not a problem. Ryan. Ryan,
Sorry. Need reset dates for Kevin Castillo and Mike Cordetta. I still need to talk to Jonathan, and then
so about your jail person.
yeah, just I guess reset her for Thursday, or unless if Judge is still around, if I could maybe ask for a PR bond for her, I guess.
I'm gonna set it for 7:20. Even if she gets a PR bond, she needs to come to court on that day.
Sounds good.
And what was your other, let's see, did you have
All my
another
other jail
jail
cases were
person?
dismissed.
What about Martinez Lopez?
Is that Esau?
Yeah,
That's Sarah's case.
all right. All right, sounds good. And you need to talk to, yeah,
Yeah, let me get reset dates for Kevin Castillo and
who's gonna talk to Gerardo?
Want to get his phone number? So once I get a reset date, she can text him.
I'm gonna remove him.
For sure.
Okay, Booker, we did it all. We got everybody taken care of.
Still got a few more, Judge. I'm trying to get reset.
Charles, can you hear me? Oh my God, this Wi-Fi is awful, you guys.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Jonathan, how's your Wi-Fi in the DA's office?
Judge, apparently it's also out. I'm working from home
Yeah.
today, so
Oh.
it's okay over here, but apparently it went out as well.
Yeah, but all of us are blinking in and out from your side, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Like Booker right now, Booker and Charles, both of their screens are froze. Irene, how are you doing over there?
Mine's good, Judge.
Yeah, you're lagging too. It's like all our Wi-Fi went out on this side. Sorry, guys. And we didn't. Nobody could have predicted that. Like all those guys we had on the jail,
I
all
know.
their cases got. Oh well. All right. Booker's trying to get rid of the last few. He's wrapping that up.
Judge, just so you know, hopefully when the internet gets more stable, there were several motions to dismiss that we filed via Adobe Sign, and several of them are jail
Okay.
cases.
Jail.
Yes.
You froze.
Okay. Okay. Right. I just tried to get into my emails right now to do Charles' paperwork, but it's not letting me in either. It's just buffering for a long time. Irene, are we set for Sunday?
Oh, I'm gonna send it out. I'll send it out shortly. Because I know you all have
I
the,
can't hear you, Irene. You froze too.
I'll text you, Judge.
Froze. Okay. Okay. All right.
Hey Booker, do you think you still need me at this point?
Yeah, we still got all the Joe please that we're gonna do.
Can we go ahead and get the
No, I-
resets for my two clients so we can get them out of here?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay.
No, John, you're good.
Okay. Because of the internet issue, I guess I can't get my email open. So if you guys need me for anything right away, just give me a call. I'll have my cell phone on me. All right.
Oh, Booker, am I out of the interpretation app? Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me?
Yes, Judge, I can hear you.
Okay, good. So who is Kevin? Why is he still on the Zoom?
These are both my clients, Judge.
Okay.
Ryan, what's going on with
Okay, it seems better now.
What's that, Booker?
Yeah, just as soon as I keep everybody up.
What'd you say, Booker? Sorry.
What's going on with this case?
For Kevin, he's got a PTD offer pending, but it could just be an outright dismissal for lack of probable cause. Got to talk to Anthony and Alexis whenever they get back to review the videos. With Michael Herrera, we just finished negotiations with the ADA. They've given us our final kind of hardline offer. Just need a 2 to 3 week reset on that one to allow him to make his decision.
All right, Michael Harris, let me reset to August 11th. And Kevin will be reset to August 25th.
Okay. Guys, make sure you write down those court dates. Kevin, August 25th. Mike, August 11th.
Yeah, I
9
got
a.m.
it.
All right.
Is it a Zoom meeting or is this in person?
If it's a, let me pull up the calendar real quick.
Okay.
The 25th will be Zoom, as will the 11th. So you're both set for Zoom dates. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call. Mike, I'm going to give you a call pretty much as soon as I get off of the Zoom, but you guys are both free to log off.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Yeah, have a good one. All right. And that's my final two. So I'm out of here.
See ya.
You guys have a good weekend.
You too.